up chopper, step up chopper or boost converter used to increase the output voltage. It means V output always greater than V source or input voltage. The circuit diagram of step up or boost converter is shown in figure. Here inductor is connected in source side, chopper is connected in parallel with the load, and diode is connected at load side facing towards the load. Three elements used in this connection. These are the waveforms: source voltage, constant DC, load voltage, chopped DC voltage with T on and T off times. This is the source voltage. In step down chopper we seen that inductance was connected at the load side, so the inductance, the current due to inductance is rising and decaying at on and off period respectively. So in the uh, in the step up chopper, the source current is following the same phenomena like the load current in step down chopper, because here inductance is connected in source side. The working equation of step up chopper is V output equal to Vs divided by 1 minus D. Now we have to prove this equation using on time and off time KVL equations. During on time we have the equation Vs equal to VL, and by putting the value of VL equal to LdI by dt we get the equation number first. In the diagram we also can see that when on time, when chopper is connected, chopper is on, the source current will flow like this. It is follow the short path through the chopper, and source current will not follow the load, and hence the inductance is charging during on time and current across load is equal to 0. So this circuit is responsible for obtaining equation number first by using the KVL equation Vs equal to VL. When chopper is off, in the next mode, V output equal to Vs plus VL, and we put the value of VL here equal to LdI by dt, and then we get the equation number second from here of delta I. This circuit represents the T off time where chopper is disconnected during T off, and the KVL equation follow this path as our source current is following this. Diode is on and the source current is equal to load current in this mode, and hence we can see that Vs equal to Vs plus VL equal to V naught, or VL equal to V naught minus Vs. One thing we all can observe that during on period inductance is charging, so the polarity of load inductive voltage is this type. When in the next mode, when inductance is discharging or it is behaving as a source, the polarity will reverse. Polarity of the inductance will reverse in this case, because it now becomes as a source, it is delivering the current, and in the previous state it was absorbing the current and it is charging. By equating delta I value of T on and T off, we get the equation Vs by L T on equal to V naught minus Vs by L T off. From here we get the equation what we required. V naught equal to Vs by 1 minus D. By putting some values for D equal to 0 to 1, we get to know that V output always greater than the source voltage. In next video we will continue buck boost converter.